guys all right? Definitely not, he said. What's up, everybody? It's your dude Black Hat here. We are out in Ocotillo Wells, SVRA, for the Clean Desert cleanup. I think this is the first time in a while these guys have done a cleanup out here. Usually it's in Barstow, because Barstow is usually pretty bad. But hey, we're out in Ocotillo. It was quite the drive for me, but I made it, so we're here. We're in vendor row right now. The boys are setting up the Terra crew tent, as you can see behind me. Lots of cool stuff in here. They got a ton of raffle prizes that they'll do this afternoon, as well as serve lunch to everybody that signs up around 1 o'clock. It's just a really cool cause, a really cool thing to do. Keep our deserts clean, keep the public lands open. So if you guys ever get the chance to come to one of these events, make sure you do it. It's just a good thing to do. Getting set up over here, and then we're gonna go out and talk to some people and interview some people like Adam, who's talking to somebody else right now. We'll talk to him, see what Clean Desert's all about, and then we'll go talk to some people that are out picking up trash, and you'll see what we can find out there in the desert today. I've heard already that there's some jacuzzis on Pole Line Road. I passed a recliner going through the dirt coming here. I would have picked it up, but I had the 4Runner and I can't fit it in there, so. All right, guys, so the man of the hour is right behind me. This is Adam. Adam is the president, CEO. What do you call yourself? Big man on campus?
Just the guy doing something.
Just the guy doing something. So you started Clean Desert, right?
I did. I started in 2016 just as a way to show that the 1450 racers, the pre-runner kids, weren't all bad. Yeah, we like to have a good time and use our trucks, but you know, we can do something responsible as well.
Right on, man. What's Clean Desert all about? What are you guys doing out here?
So Clean Desert, I mean, it's in the name, right? We're cleaning up the desert, but it's really more than that. It's about a way for everyone to come out, have an event, have a good time, to be able to see vehicles and trucks maybe you've never seen before, talk to some vendors, and do something positive. You know, a lot of people think that cleanups are kind of stuffy. This is the opposite, really. Like, you know, you're out here with all your friends, using your vehicles, picking up trash, doing that positive stuff, winning great stuff from the best companies in the industry. And then you walk away after a couple hours of some light work, just with a smile on your face because you did something positive for the day.
We appreciate what you guys do. You guys have a cool tagline here, bring people together, preserve public lands, which is something that we want to do if we want to keep coming out here, right?
Absolutely. You know, like I have a 5-year-old daughter. I want her to be bringing her kids out here in the future, and you know, this is my life. I love, everything revolves around the desert and trucks and having fun, and so like we got to preserve this for our kids, in the future, and like make sure that we're doing our part. It's easy for people to point fingers and say off-roaders and recreationalists are the problem. We're the solution. We're the ones actually getting it done.
Yeah, for sure. Last desert cleanup I was at was in Barstow, and what was it, like 8, 10? 11 rollaway bins, guys. Like, I mean, like the giant
40 cubic yards.
40 cubic yards, 11 of them filled up in what, a matter of a few hours?
Yeah, we did those in like 4 to 5 hours. So it's, it's crazy. Barstow's a little bit different than Ocotillo. Like Ocotillo, you have a lot of small stuff. Barstow, you have a lot of illegal dumping, obviously, but again, it's our way to give back to the community and the areas that we race, we recreate, and we use every single weekend. Right. And this makes the rangers happy too. It makes all of them happy, and I'll tell you what, if you guys want a secret, anytime you see a ranger, ask for a trash bag. It puts a smile on their face, and it gives you a little bit of leeway. Right on, man. Well, thank you so much for talking to us, Adam. We're gonna go out and grab a bag, and I'm gonna go around and talk to some other people picking up trash and seeing what they got. But if you guys have any questions or anything for Adam and Clean Desert, feel free to hit you up on Instagram or... Instagram is Clean Desert Official. We have a website, cleandesert.org. So let us know. We're always looking for suggestions of places to go, new sponsors to work with, and how we can make this better. Our goal is to keep growing this. Right on. It's important for what we do. And a huge thing about coming out, they have incentives. Like there's this whole section of just all kinds of things that you guys raffle off, right? Yeah, so we're raffling off today somewhere probably around $20,000 to $25,000 worth of product. Wow. A lot of great stuff from a lot of great companies, and we basically, everything that we bring in goes right back out to you guys. So we spend every dime on our volunteers because that's the way we get it done. That's what it should be about. Well, right on.
Thank you so much, Adam. We love you, man, and we love what you guys do, and we're so happy to be able to be involved in giving back and keeping our lands open. So
Thanks, man.
hats
I
off,
appreciate
brother.
it.
We
Take
appreciate
care.
you. All right. Wally. Hey, pal.
How are you?
How's it going?
Living the dream.
Living the dream?
Every dang day.
You selling some wheels?
We aren't here to sell product, we're here to display product.
Oh, you're here to display product. You got some cool stuff?
We do
I like
get the
these.
best of stuffs. Yeah, that's one of those. It's a bead grip.
Yeah, I got
Fancy
those.
bead grip here to hold your bead in place. Both sides, inner
Oh,
and outer
wow.
bead.
Fancy.
It's got an aggressive J-lip. These things work wonders, people. You should buy them.
They do. I have them on the Foreigner, and I go down to like 10 pounds in that thing.
Easily.
No problems.
Dang day.
It's all right. Let's go find some trash. Let's go find some people getting trash. Let's go pick up some trash ourselves. All right. I'm gonna take you guys with me. As you guys can see, I'm using the Onyx app to get around. Out here in Ocotillo, they do have a lot of the major trails marked out, and so it's nice to have something like this when you're kind of cruising around, especially by yourself, picking up trash or whatever. You know, you want to get back to where you came from. So, right on. Just thought I'd share that tidbit with you. Check out these guys. They got the bags hanging out the doors. Super cool. Good job, buddies. All right, so I was driving and I seen this group here and some Fox trucks. They all seem to be part of the group, so let's see what they're all about. So you guys are out here picking up some trash?
Yeah, that's
Right on. I see you're all you have the same shirt on. So Trail Trust. What's that, man?
It's Fox's nonprofit, so we're trying to just keep our parks open, keep them clean, so we can continue to enjoy them.
Right on, man. What do you guys think about this? These Clean Desert events? You guys attend all of them?
This is our first one, and we're sponsoring it this year, so
Okay.
Fox cut the organization a check so we can keep doing it.
Right on, man. Right on. So another organization helping out another organization to keep our deserts open and clean. So hats off to you guys. All right, keep doing what you're doing. All right, let's go find some other people. All right, I found some more guys. What's up, guys? How are you?
Good, man. How are you?
So good, man. So you guys are right along the side of the highway. Where have you guys been looking? Just kind of around here?
Up and down.
Up and down this way?
Yeah, they're close to the campground as well. So.
Yeah. Good spots to be. You know, up against the highway, closer to campgrounds. You know, stuff blowing around, all that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
But you guys been kind of surprised, you said, where you haven't picked up a whole lot, huh?
For the most part, it seems cleaner than we thought it was going to be.
Oh,
So.
right on. A lot cleaner than Barstow, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good sign, guys, that for the most part, Ocotillo is pretty clean. Everybody that I've come across have maybe had 1 or 2 bags, and they're kind of half full, which is really cool. So good job to most of you guys that come out here and have fun for the weekends and pick up after yourselves, because there's not a whole bunch of trash out here. Okay, pretty full. And you've covered maybe, what, like a half mile or so?
Yeah.
We appreciate you guys coming out for this, and
It's on you guys. Really, you guys want to get us out here?
well, you're welcome. I don't know what to say to that. These guys are obviously Terra Crew fans. I see stickers everywhere, license plate cover. So we appreciate your guys' support, and we appreciate you guys coming out here and helping out with this stuff, man. It means a lot to everybody involved. So right on. Well, you guys keep having at it, and we'll see you over there for a raffle. Hope you guys win something. There's lots of good stuff. So all right, guys, be safe. Cool, dude. See, all kinds of cool people out here doing their part. You know, making sure we keep the land clean and open. So let's go find somebody else. We found somebody else. What have you found so far? Anything good?
Mostly just water bottles and beer cans.
Well, right on. Well, we appreciate you coming out here and doing your part.
We're having a blitz.
It means a lot. Well, you stay safe and stay cool and out of the sun as much as you can.
I'm trying.
You're trying. Right on. Thank you so much.
All right. Have a great day.
You too. Alex, out here by himself, drove himself out here just to participate.
That's right.
That's right.
You got to put in your time, clean up the desert. You can't go more than 50 feet without finding a piece of trash, unfortunately.
Unfortunately, but you're over here digging through bushes and everything, so you're doing
Yeah.
a good clean sweep.
That's the best place to go. Thankfully, the bushes stop a lot of the trash.
Yeah. And you're on bag number 3?
Bag number 3, that's it.
Right on. How long have you been at it?
What time is it? I started at like 9:30.
Okay, that's almost noon, I think. So a couple hours?
2.5 hours, 3.
Right on. You got 2 full bags, working on his 3rd bag.
That's right.
Right on, brother.
No problem.
We appreciate you.
Absolutely.
Super appreciate the initiative to just come out by yourself. He didn't need anybody to come out with him. He came out by himself. He's doing his part, and it's a good thing, man. So, Alex, hats off to you, brother.
Thanks.
All right, be safe, man.
Thank you.
And thank you again.
No problem.
I like it. These guys just out here doing their thing, man. You know, and it's a good thing they're doing. Everybody's doing their part. All right, guys, so I'm over here at the trash cans. I think we're just about wrapping up. People are bringing their stuff in. There's one rollaway bin. Looks like it's almost full. This one looks like it's completely full. A bunch of tires. People are bringing in their trash bags, exchanging them for raffle tickets. I think very successful morning. A lot of people I talked to finding all kinds of stuff. It's a good thing to have all these people out here doing this kind of stuff every once in a while, at least, because then it helps keep the parks open. In about an hour or so, I think is when they kind of halt everything and do a raffle. So that's what we'll see you guys next. All right, the boys found another little hit over here. Hey, that was pretty good, huh? Yeah. Hell yeah.
And now we're back to How Did I Get Here? The only show that makes you ask yourself, how did I get here?
You guys all right? Oh, yeah. Definitely not. Definitely not, he said. You're gonna, man, I don't even know how you're gonna get out of that. What if you put it just like in neutral, crank to the left, and so you can just fucking, I don't know.
Oh my god. What?
Oh my god, my heart's pounding. Dug a nice hole and broke. So there he is down there. So dang it. All right, let's go see. Straight up bent the upper control arm? Dude, that's crazy. Hey, you were like this far too long.
A little bit.
You good? You all right? Yeah. Well, we're gonna try to limp this thing back to camp. See how it does. He basically folded the upper control arm into the tire. I'll show you guys.
It kind of did me on that. You want something exactly. If the only thing that mattered was the upper.
Pretty good. Pretty good. All right. Well, while the guys figure out a trailer and whatnot for Eric, let's hit some whoops. All right, so that's it. The sun's going down. We don't really have any time left. But overall, excellent day with the Clean Desert guys. We picked up a lot of trash. That was the main goal today. You know, the action stuff is just kind of a bonus. We're gonna head back to camp now. Relax, have some drinks or whatever, and head out in the morning. So, you know, per usual, if you guys like what you see on this channel, please comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let us know what you want to see next. We love taking in ideas from you guys, and yeah, that's it. So, hope you all have a wonderful day, and we'll see you on the next one.